Hi guys, it's Emily from My Strap Free Girl here, back with another video for you all. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos, which is every other day. And let's get into it. This is an eat at home challenge for June. This video went a bit long, so it's only going to include, I made a spicy Nandos chicken for subs, which I also gave the kids over rice and over salad in their lunch boxes. And I also meal prepped a satay chicken from scratch to use up the last of my peanut butter that I had in the cupboard. And I also cooked that in this video as well, so you could see where I prepped it and I put it into the fridge, and then when I got it out a couple of days later and I served it over rice, and I gave the people that like fish on the side. So that's what's in this video. Again, don't forget to like it if you like it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. So I have this Nandos peri peri sauce that's been in my cupboard for ages. My son loves the peri peri sauce, and we thought it was at Nandos, but it's actually a Porto, so he hates this and it's too spicy for him. But I need to use it up because it's like a liter. It is a liter. So I've diced up some tomato, some cheese, some onions, some lettuce, some more of my chicken over here. Ooh. Some chicken going over here. We just got some garlic at the moment. I'm going to throw some salt and pepper, then the sauce. I've got some hot dog buns in there. Now, I've never cooked with this sauce before, and I'm making this up as I go along. I didn't realize how spicy it was. I remember it being spicy, but I didn't remember it being this spicy. So I added too much, and then I had to work on cooling it down so that my kids could eat it. So I did a whole can of coconut cream, and then I ended up throwing in some cheese and just keeping doing that until I got it down to a reasonable level. And then I actually made something else for the baby just in case. It was too spicy, so medium's not so medium. So I've thrown in a whole can of coconut cream. It's still too spicy. So the cheese I sliced, I've thrown in there, and I'm going to melt that down and see if I can't cut the spice level down some more. Should probably put less sauce on to start with.
I think you're gonna walk out of my door. I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with. Can you just reassure? Disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking anxiety, can't live here no more. No more. I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, root of my own pain. No one's coming
So I just whipped up the sauce and I've dumped my chicken in it. It's going to marinate in the bag. And then I'm going to dice up a Thai red chili, slice it in, throw that in there. I have some red onion that I had left over from when I made the subs earlier. So I'm going to dice that up and throw that in there. And then I've gone to the freezer and I've gotten out some of my frozen capsicum that I make whenever I get capsicums really cheap or on clearance. I dice them up and freeze them and then throw them into things like this, and it's super quick and easy. And then I'm going to stick it into a big gallon size bag and pop that into the fridge or the freezer depending on when I'm going to eat it, and that'll be quick and easy for me. As you can see, I also freeze my chilies because I get a ton of them. So I keep them in the freezer and then I just chop them up, dice them in frozen, then they last forever because we don't eat that much chili, but it's good to have them on hand.